using WhatsApp to build our practice, and today in my presentation you will see how we can go ahead and build a lot of communication all around us on a daily basis. So WhatsApp, a little bit like to speak about Identity Plus. I have Dr. Vishakha also, she is a co-founder in Identity Plus. We are totally a laser-based dentistry center. We are the first one to envision all tissue lasers in dentistry. I was talking to some of the doctors here, just like in eye care, we can't imagine eye care surgeries without lasers. If given a choice, somebody asks you to go for cataract removal with blade or with lasers, nobody will choose blade. Similarly in dentistry also, now things are changing, and we are the first one to put up waterless dentistry in Gurgaon. So Identity Plus is a total solutions for your problem in a modern way. Thank you guys. So coming to the topic today, I was wondering, like, when WhatsApp came, what did it change? Few years back, so I decided to put it up and see how many WhatsApp users are there worldwide. I was surprised to learn there are roughly 2.78 billion users since it ever started. Now that's a big number. Now with almost all of my patients and all of our patients and each one of us in the room and in the hall is on WhatsApp. So it became sort of mandatory to start using it by default. And later on, now today when I stand here, I will show you how WhatsApp is a daily part of my practice. It started subconsciously and it became so big. And in India, we currently have 600 million users, which is bound to go and cross 800 in next 2 years. So you can imagine why WhatsApp has become so essential and important in our clinical practice and almost in every doctor's life, and how as a clinician, as a hospital and healthcare providers, we all can use this messaging tool for communication and obtaining the best results for each and every one. I learned it quite early in my life that quality of one's life is directly related to the quality of communication. So a lot of patients, we have a clinical practice which is now running in 23rd years. So a lot of time our patients comes and say, doctor, you all give so much time to understand and communicate, but most of the doctors are busy in seeing patients. They don't communicate so well with their patients. So this is a sort of a, we as doctors are trained to see patients, but are not trained to be good entrepreneurs, and we are not trained to be good communicators. So as a doctor, I also feel that the time has come where doctors, especially in the clinical practice, see themselves as entrepreneurs and totally a game changer thing. So I see why WhatsApp is so important, because it is very easy to use, almost very fast, just a click of button. A lot of options are already there, including sending location, sending contact, image, attachment, everything, almost anything is possible. It's free of cost. And what I like most about it, almost all my patients of all the age groups, whether it is 80, 85-year-old or youngster, they all are using it. So it's a very easy learning curve. There is nothing great that can be. I am using it for supporting, assistant, providing my service, helping out and reaching out to the patient when it is required to. So almost everywhere if you go to identityplus.in, my WhatsApp page, this is how we have downloaded WhatsApp, and we have taken time to fill all the details so that our patient, when they contact me or my clinic, they directly receive the information. So just at a press of a button, they know whom they are reaching out to. So they have already an image. When you have all the catalogs in place, so they already have an image. So here I am using the audio visual aspect of WhatsApp. So I am using it as for communicating in detail, yes, what we are and how we practice, and what all are the areas where we can serve you. So instantaneously, I am able to build my clinic brand visible. So visibility is the most important thing in today's time. Almost all the clinical practitioners should find time to have this communication with the patient. And even when you are busy practicing, most of the people are searching you over your WhatsApp. It also allows us in sharing the, my staff can send them the location, Google My Business page, and almost all the detail by just press of a button. So the patient feels secured, yes, he or she is reaching out to a very ethical and very well calibrated and senior doctors in the fraternity. So this boosts their confidence, and almost half the work is done by having a well decorated and well balanced WhatsApp page. More than the website, I feel WhatsApp has become my one point of contact with all my patients. Although we have a dedicated link on our website to book appointment, patients also reach us through Practo. They find us. But today while coming also 5-6 patients have called me on WhatsApp and sent me their name and all for helping them out with appointments. So the preferred mode of communication by the patient is WhatsApp as per my current experience than the website or directly calling the clinic. So they would like to be in touch. So it's the preferential thing I am talking to you. So why it becomes important for any healthcare provider? I would simply like to run you through a case study. This is just a week and 10 days back. Mr. Gopal contacted me that he needs some dental implants. So in my office, it is mandatory to go for full documentation. What I mean by full documentation is a complete X-ray protocol, complete photo protocol, and complete lab protocol. Once I have all the protocol, I share the pictures of my patients, what is the clinical situation to the patient on the WhatsApp, and also I have a YouTube channel where almost all variety of my own work has been put up. So there are videos of almost 70 procedures on my YouTube channel. So those similar videos, what type of treatment the patient is looking for, in almost all the age group is shared with the patient. So they can in their leisure time see their photographs and see those relevant videos that will give them confidence, yes, the doctor is going to help them in becoming one of the same thing. After that, the patient goes and sends me further reports, his CBCT X-rays. Then after all the clearances are obtained, the first surgery is done. And you can see the image, 2 implants have been put. And once the surgery is done, then by the evening I am sending the patient, are you okay? Is everything fine? Patient feels so happy. He said, yes doctor, I am fine, everything is fine. Any changes in antibiotics or if there is any issues, he has small questions. For I realize in my practice, what seems a very simple or a layman question to us as a doctor, for patient it is a big thing. For example, after how long he can eat or drink. But we assume that you can drink after 1 or 2 hours, something like that. So but for patient it is very important. They want a constant support system. So I don't see any other thing than this. And then after 2-3 days, I said, now let's plan the other side. I call the patient, he comes, I place the implant on the other side, and then you can see on Saturday I ask him, hope you are good. He replies, yes, everything is fine. So back-to-back communication, right from starting the case, planning the case, discussing, directly personally in contact with the patient, taking the follow-up, reassuring the patient that everything is nice. You tell me, whereas I have patients all over the world coming to me, but they say that even in US, UK, finding a healthcare appointment is very, very difficult. Forget communicating with the patient. So we are at a great place, at a great location, and are able to serve our patient very well. Now patient feedback is also important. If I am designing a smile, I can share my software images to my patients and they can say, okay, before and after you're going to look like this. They can give me comments, I want my shape of the teeth to be square or more round, more front, more back. So I ensure that this type of relationship is always there with my patients. So that whatever has to be done, has to be done. So constant involvement of the patient in practice is possible now more than before. So we are able to add quality and we are able to bring the best for our patients through not only our practice by using simple tools like WhatsApp. I found it is a great practice builder because there is one feature called status. Now, whenever I post something on my status, whenever I post a reel or whenever I post a nice message I immediately start or I have to promote my latest technology, I start getting adorable organic messages by my current existing clients, which are thousands in numbers. So they motivate us that yes, we are going in the right direction and they are looking forward to hear more from us. So love is the one important thing which you give, multiplies and comes back and goes back. This is not the end of the story. The other aspect is I have a lot of work going on for my patients with my lab. Now when the patient is done, to give them the prosthesis or the denture, I need to talk to the lab. Now on a daily basis, each cases I am discussing with my lab also. So the preferred mode of discussion now today is WhatsApp. So again, that for the patient, the end of the story is the clinical work. For the doctor, the beginning of the story is the lab work. So then the backward communication is also going on, and each step and stage is concerned. New technology, whatever we are procuring, adding, value addition, we are communicating with our patients, sending them how it can benefit us. So it has become an organic and an ethical marketing tool for us and very easy to reach out to our current and existing customer without encroaching upon their privacy. And it's appreciated also. So I feel I would like to end that WhatsApp is one of the most promising technology when used judiciously, ethically and organically. And it's a true win-win, not for the doctors, for the patient, for the lab, but for the society. And with this note, I would like to thank you all for your kind patience, and I hope I could bring some light to how as a doctor and as a practitioner of 23 years into practice, we are able to now totally contribute to the society by helping build great smiles. Thank you Medicall and thank you Yugasa Software Labs. Thank you.